There's a moment that feels quieter than the others. Nothing is falling apart. Nothing is obviously wrong, but something feels delicate. Consistency no longer feels automatic. It feels fragile, like something you could lose. When consistency starts feeling fragile, the thought usually sounds like this: I hope I didn't mess this up. You're not doubting the process anymore. You're doubting your ability to maintain it. The fear isn't about starting over. It's about slipping. This phase doesn't happen early. It happens after something has begun to work, after results become visible, routines stabilize, effort feels lighter. That's when the mind realizes there's something to lose now, and loss creates vigilance. Earlier, motivation faded. Later, structure took over. Now something else appears: fear. Not panic, but caution. You don't want to break the streak. You don't want to lose momentum. You don't want to go backward. So consistency becomes something you guard instead of something you inhabit. This fear often disguises itself as responsibility. You tell yourself, I just care more now. I'm being careful. But underneath that care is pressure. Pressure to perform, pressure to maintain, pressure not to fail again. And pressure always makes systems feel unstable. When consistency feels fragile, people tighten control. They over-monitor themselves, reduce flexibility, avoid disruption at all costs. But rigidity isn't what preserves consistency. Rigidity exhausts it. What lasts isn't fragile control, it's adaptability. What's missing here isn't effort, it's trust. Trust that small disruptions won't ease progress. One off day won't undo the system. Consistency isn't as brittle as it feels. Until that trust develops, consistency feels like glass. Guarding consistency takes energy. You're no longer doing the work, you're watching yourself do it. That self-monitoring creates fatigue, and fatigue makes people worry they're about to slip, which increases the monitoring. It's a loop. When consistency starts feeling fragile, the question usually isn't, how should I hold on to this? It's, what would make this resilient instead of perfect? Consistency feels fragile, not because it's weak, but because trust in it hasn't caught up yet. This is Subtle Logic.